It will be the number of characters will be what? Length minus second space. Yes or no? टोटल लेंथ में से अगर आप सेकंड स्पेस तक का पार्ट कट करोगे देन यू विल हैव दोज मैनी नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स व्हिच यू हैव इनटू द लास्ट नेम. 18 minus 13 is 5. In the Tomar we have a 5 characters or not? Enter. You can see. If I drag it, look.
This thing is a bit confusing.
This is simply the mathematical logic, nothing else. Okay. I can completely understand. आप इसको एक दो बार जब प्रैक्टिस करोगे then you will be able to understand the logic very clearly. Simply the mathematical logic is applying, nothing else. Okay. आप पहले इतना ट्राई करो देन मैं मिडिल नेम पर बाद में जाऊंगा. मैं फॉर्मूले यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज फॉर द फर्स्ट नेम, this is for the last name, for the first space here I'm pasting formula. Okay, this is for the first space, this is for the second space. Okay, and for the length this is the formula. Now just try this everyone. All the formula I have pasted in front of you. I'm pasting here. Okay, I have pasted all the formula in front of you. Now you can use that. Okay, look. So I have pasted the headers also. This one. So you can refer that in which column what function has been used. And don't worry about it. There is nothing new. Is in functions में confusion create होता है starting में. So no need to worry about it. But if you'll understand the logic na, you will be able to solve it very easily.
Anup,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, please explain the formula of second space, please, once again.
Okay. So second space, if you see, you said you want to find the space in this I2
Yes.
text, but it says from where you want to start to find the second space. So if you want to
Okay.
find this position of this second space, then you have to start after the first space, right? If you will
Yes.
start
Yes.
before the first space, now every time it will give you the position of the first space only. So I need to
Okay.
start after the first space. So your first space is coming on the seventh position or not?
Yes.
So,
Correct.
so I want to start from the eighth number, correct? So
Eight
that's what
number. Yes. Yes.
eighth number, right? So that's what I did. M2 plus 1. M2 is what? Your first space, which is the 7. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. So it
Eight.
means I want to start from the eighth character and I want to find the position of the space. So eighth character is a S or no? This is a S,
Yes. It is S.
है ना?
Yes.
So it will start from the
Ah.
S, it will move to the right side, and where it will find the space, it will stop and it will give you the position of that.
Okay. Got it.
Got
Okay.
it? Yeah, great.
Yes. Got it.
Okay, great. Is it done, everyone?
No, no.
Just 2 minutes more.
Okay, yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely, no worries. Is it done?
Yes.
Okay, great. So we have this, and we have one more thing, that is a hyperlink to get it complete. But before that, just a minute. Hmm. Okay. So now we have seen this, and now this hyperlink is pending. Okay. And this is the assignments. I'm just giving this to you guys, which you guys have to complete. And
Anup,
now,
how to calculate that middle name? You told that you will tell after
yeah,
this.
I'm just coming on that point. Okay. So for this middle name, what you have to do is you have to use the mid function. Okay. Then this is the text. Then a start number. Your middle name is starting after the first space. So a start number will be this first space plus one, comma, how many characters you are looking for. So if you make the difference of this second space minus first space, so second space is 13, first space is the 7. 13 minus 7 is the 6. But in the string, we have a 5 characters, right? So if you just go for second space minus first space minus 1. So 13 minus 7 minus 1. So that is what? That is 5. So in this text, it will start from this eighth position. It means from the S, and it will give you the 5 characters. Now, if you drag this formula to the downside, so it will giving you the middle name from each and every name. Okay. So this is the mid function formula. I'm pasting this formula in the chat window also. Just refer this.
लेकिन अनूप अगर ये सिंक 5 डिजिट का नहीं रहता और ये 7 डिजिट का रहता तो हम
कर लो आप,
माइनस
नहीं कर लो आप 7 डिजिट लो. दिस वन, लुक, दे रहा है ना सारा मिडिल नेम.
हाँ दे रहा है
दिस वन. तो वो लॉजिक है, सिंपली मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक. आप लेंथ इंक्रीज करके देखो, फर्स्ट नेम, मिडिल नेम, लास्ट नेम, किसी का भी नेम इंक्रीज करके देखो. जितना लेंथ होगा वो उतना ही लेंथ कैप्चर करेगा.
ओके
ओके. Is it done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Anup, why is it M2 plus 1 in the formula?
because I want to start my middle name is getting started after the first space or not.
Yeah,
So that's why.
that means
Your middle name is getting started after this first space, right?
yeah,
So your first space coming on the seventh position,
yes,
which and 7 plus 1, that is the eighth.
yeah.
So that's why I'm 2 plus 1.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so we can take the break for the next 5 minutes, and after that we will see the last thing, that is a hyperlink. Okay, thank you. Okay, so is everyone back?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now this is the assignment which you guys have to complete at your end. Okay. The offline you have to perform. So the first name, then the middle name, then the last name, and ID, which is written in the bracket. Okay. So this is something you guys have to complete. And the last thing we have, that is a hyperlink. Okay. So hyperlink basically we use when you want to move into the sheet, or if you want to jump on any of the link or the URL. So in that case, we can use that. For example, I just want to create a button like here. I say click to go on index tab. Suppose I have written like this. Okay. And now if I just click on this, I should go on this index tab. So what I can do, I can do the right click on this cell. And now here I can just go for that hyperlink concept. Okay. So get, just a minute. It's a loading.NET framework. Do one thing. Here, simply go for this control K. If you go for this control K, you will get this insert hyperlink wizard, or you can go into this insert, and here you can see this link, insert link. This is also the hyperlink wizard. Okay. So click on that. And now if you see that here, place in this document, you can see all the tab name here. Okay. I can select the tab name like the index I selected, clicked on the OK. You can see this link. If you click on this, you will automatically move on the index tab. Look, I'm into the hyperlink tab, but now if I'm clicking on this, you can see this link. If I click on this, I will move into this index tab. You can see. Okay. So you can create these kind of links that user click on that link, then this activity needs to get performed. Now suppose if I say I want to open the Google, okay, that if you click on that, then the Google should be open. So I say click to open Google. Okay, so I can do the control K, and here in this existing page I can just give the URL in address bar, www.google.com. Okay, and click OK. Now if I click on this, so it will open the Google in the browser. You can see it got open, right? Now suppose if I say Vodafone pay my bill. Okay. Now suppose if you guys have seen, okay, if you guys have seen the most of the time where you get the link on the email to reset the password or pay the bill or something like that, if you click on that, directly you land on that page, right? So now I have copied the URL of this page from here, and now I just want to create a such kind of a things here in the Excel, that here if I say, suppose if I'm creating a button, on the button also you can assign it. Okay. Now I clicked on this shape. Any of the shape you can select and you can drag it. And now here I'm just writing click to open pay bill. Okay, like this. And now if I do the right click on this, you can see this link option, okay, or control K, and you can paste that URL here and simply okay. Now if user will click on this button, it will open that page directly, and user will not be able to see this back button or any of the button over here. Directly it will open that link. You can see, right? So if you want to go to perform these kind of things where user needs to open that particular link or user need to move into that particular tab or something like this. So in that case, you can use this hyperlink concept. So for the hyperlink, the shortcut key is the Control K to insert the hyperlink, or you can go into this insert tab. You can see the link, and here you can see this one. Okay. If you want to remove the hyperlink, okay, so you can do the right click on that and you will get this option, remove hyperlink. Or if your URL has been changed, if you want to add it something into the URL, you can go into this added link and you can add it that link. Like the URL got changed, you can update the new URL here. Okay. So in this way, you can just perform this hyperlink concept. Okay. Similarly, here, if you go into this insert, you will get one option here in this here. You can see this object. Okay. If you click on this object, then here in the Excel, suppose if you want to attach any email, PPT, PDF, Excel, any kind of object. So you can go into this create file, you can browse that file, and once you click on OK, so that object will be added over here. So like you guys have seen that you are receiving one Excel file where the email has been attached or some PDF has been attached. You click on that, you open that PDF, right? So in the Excel, if you want to insert any kind of a object, so in that case, you can use that insert object concept. Okay. So this is basically the way that how you can go for. And if in Excel, if you want to use any kind of a symbols like the copyright symbols or registered symbols, right? So you can just go for this symbol. You can click on that. You will get this wizard. And here, if you require any kind of a symbols from here, okay? So you can use any kind of a symbols from here if you need, okay? Like this trademark. So you can see this TM. If you select this and click on insert, so this TM will be inserted into your cell. Okay, so I have clicked on insert. So now you can see I clicked twice. So look on the cell, you can see that the TM is inserted, right? If I write anything here, like I say the CoachX, so here you can see on this here, the TM will be written like this. Okay, so if you want to insert any kind of a symbols, then in that case, you can go for the insert, you can go for the symbols, and you can also go from here. This is related to the font. You want to go for this, okay, like this. So you will be able to see where that is existing and you can utilize this one. Okay, it might be very rare you will use it, but if that will be required, so that option is also given this to you. Okay, so this is basically the concept that how you can go for this insert symbol. Okay, so yeah, so we have seen insert, object, and symbol. Okay, great. So we have done all the things into this Excel. Now I will share this file with the team. So just do the practice on that. And also I will share that the one more project assignment, basically the interview related questions. So what I can do is I can take one more session for tomorrow, or what I can do is, let me just do one thing. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just share that interview question related, which is a practical sessions I'm just talking about. Okay, whatever the things I have just covered. So related to those interview questions, I will just share with the team. You guys will get that file and you guys have to solve that questions, and then you have to upload on the repository. The team has shared the repository with you, right? Where you have to submit all your assignments.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to submit your assignment with your name. Okay. So I will share this by the today. So you can either complete it by the tomorrow or before the next week. You can try that and you can submit that. If you'll have any issues, so you can join the doubt session also, or you can post your query into your Telegram group also. So don't wait and just try to resolve your query as soon as possible. Okay. Hope it makes sense to everyone, right? Okay. Cool then. Do the practice and I'll share this file with the team. Okay. Yeah. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
Anup.
thank you. Thank bye.